Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time again, and this month's kit is Sending Good Thoughts for July 2022. So let's pop this baby open and see what we have in the box. We've got a reminder that Celebration is here. $60 in Canada gets you a free product, or $120 gets you a different free product. And an advert for August's Paper Pumpkin Kit. I cannot wait for this one. I think it's going to be truly, truly exciting. It comes with a free gift for some gold papers to go with it. And it comes with 2 classic Stampin' Ink spots, so you can do 2-step stamping. So very exciting. So here is this month's kit. Really, really neat and interesting. So the Sending Good Thoughts Paper Pumpkin Kit comes with all of the instructions in color. Tells you exactly what you need to do. The last page shows you all the things that you need for each one. And the back page shows you all the contents of the kit, plus some options for alternate cards. The colors in this one are Balmy Blue, Basic Gray, Bermuda Bay, Fresh Freesia, Pacific Point, and Poppy Parade. So let's get into the kit itself. So this is our stamp set. Thinking of you, can't wait to see you, sending good thoughts, and wishing you all the best. And there's like a scroll, like a map. You could use it for graduation as well. Some fronds and starfish and a little seahorse and some detail and the ship. So that is really kind of cool. We've got our adhesive dots and some, looks like crumb cake linen thread, our dimensionals. We've got the envelopes. There is enough to make 9 cards in this set, 3 each of 3 different designs. So there is one of the card fronts. It's, don't think you can see it, it's actually embossed. And then we have this one, which is, again, I'm not sure if you can see, it's embossed. Looks like waves and then clouds in the sky. And then this is our last card front. Again, the scalloped waves. I guess you could do it either way up, in the Fresh Freesia color. And here are our die cuts. Seahorse, seagulls, starfish, and then the different kind of coral fronds. And those are all ready to be punched out. And then we've got our greeting tags and circles. And then we've got banners and tags and 3 different sizes of bottles. Bermuda Bay stamp and spot. And then our cards. So we've got 3 in the Fresh Freesia, 3 in the Basic Gray, and then 3 in the Bermuda Bay. So that is the kit. So stay tuned as I make the projects in the kit and then do some alternates. And there'll be 1 alternate each day this week up to Friday. So stay tuned and we'll create together soon.